my friend, look at this. So many cars here. Alright. Oh my goodness, so muddy, my friend. Look at this, my friend. Wow. Okay, no problem, my friend. We are going to clean them up, my friend. Okay, let's go, my friend. Alright. Wow, what is this? Oh my god, so muddy, no problem. Let's go. Alright, my friend. Okay. Oh, I like it. Okay. Muddy cars here, my friend. Look at this, my friend. Okay. Okay, let's go. Time to clean up. Well, where is it? Ta-da! Yes, it is, my friend. Look at this beautiful and fresh water. Okay, let's start, my friend. Okay, which one? Alright, how about this one? What is this, my friend? Let's see. Wow, rally car, my friend. See? This is the red one. Red color. Okay, how about this one, my friend? Oh my goodness. This is the red color. It is a NASCAR. Or for race. Okay, no problem, my friend. Very nice. And how about this one? Color is still red, my friend. Look at this beautiful McQueen. Red. Oh my god, red. How about this one? Okay, let's see. Alright, this is still red color. The fire rescue. Nice. Nice fire rescue, my friend. And this one, what is this? Beautiful tomato. Okay, nice. Very good. Okay. This one is kind of a drag race.
It was a very solid elapsed time that he had in his back pocket anyway, but he didn't need any of it because you can see that flinch on the opposite side of the racetrack.
Big machine, my friend. Look at this. So cool, my friend. Alright. And this one is for NASCAR. Okay.
In 27th place, and the last car on the lead lap at the moment, and Lavani went around off turn number 4.
Nice, my friend. Clean. Okay, what is this? Wow, this is Sheriff. Very good, Sheriff. Clean. Oh, this is... What is this, my friend? Look at this. Yellow color of Tayo.
The garage garden.
Really? I can do that?
Of course.
Alright, very good. And this one is kind of plain, my friend. Oh my. Nice. Okay. And this one is a Truk Molen car. Okay, nice. Clean already. And this one, how about this one? Okay, nice. This is police car one. Very good, police car. Hi, this is big one, my friend. Look at this. What is this, my friend? Big one. Oh, this is a truck, my friend. Look at this. Big truck. Okay, clean already. And how about this one? Oh, this is double cabin.
Mesin untuk menapaki medan off-road.
Very nice double cabin. Okay. And this one, how about this? Oh, about this one, my friend. This is clean already. Oh, I see. Dump truck, my friend. Okay, nice. Dump truck. And this one, the blue color of rally car, my friend. Nice. Wow. Okay. This one, this is a rally car. Wow, very good. How about this one? Wow, amazing Ramirez.
Not too public. If the press find you, they will be like many bugs on.
Very nice. Okay, clean already. And this one, this is Chief, my friend. Look at this. Cool, my friend. Nice. Okay, how about this one? This is a loader. Okay. Nice. Well. Alright, how about this one, my friend? Oh, Tayo. Alright.
Are you trying to protect the culprit?
No, I'm not.
Minibus. Beautiful Tayo. And this one, Thomas. Okay. Good. Okay, what is this, my friend? Look at this. Still muddy. Clean already, my friend. It's rally car. Rally car. Okay. And this one is the blue one. Forest, my friend. Good. Okay. How about this one? Wow, this is Jackson Storm. Look at this. Very good. What is this, my friend? This is a camel. Okay. Very nice. Camel. Okay. Alright, this is the truck. Look at this dump truck, my friend. Okay, nice. And this one is the Tayo.
Again. Okay, I'm off.
Okay. Good, be clean already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye bye, my friend.